How to apply multiple digital signatures on the same PDF. If you want to apply multiple digital signatures on the same PDF, then what you need to do is first you need to take your PDF, just open up your PDF on your Adobe. Once you do that, you need to just simply go with fill and sign, which will be on the left side, and then you need to enter your sign, which is your e-sign. Go with add signature, which will be on the left side, and then you can type your name, or you can just simply go with draw and draw something, and then go with apply. And once done, you can adjust it wherever you like for example, I'll go with here, and the signature has been added. Now if you want to add it again, like here on the bottom left, if you want to add the signature again, then you need to click on the signature and then come back again on the PDF, and then again click left, and your signature has been added. Now do the same thing, click on the signature and then come back again and just click. That's it. In this way, you'll be able to apply multiple digital signatures. Or if you want to go with another signature, then you can go with the cross, which will be on the left side. You can remove your signature, and then your signature will be removed, and then again click on add signature, and then again add another signature. Go with draw again, which will be on the middle of your screen, and then again draw another signature, and then go with apply. And as you can see, that your next signature has been added. That's it. That's how you can add or apply multiple digital signatures on the same PDF using your Adobe Acrobat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.